So let's just turn off the audio right now. As you can tell, I'm starting to have some microphone issues. What I'm trying to tell you guys is I found a location that's frequented by sea lions, and I thought it'd be really cool to get them in the snow. But unfortunately, the sea lions aren't here today. So we're just going to do a little bit of photography and explore this area covered in snow. So I apologize if there's getting a lot of water on the lens, but I mean, come on, it's snowing. So I'm thinking of trying to use these pilings out here and seeing what type of image we can create. So a few things here. We have repetition happening with these pilings, one right after another. And the other one is because of the snow and the clouds, it's a very minimalistic type of an image. I'm gonna see if I can compose something here. Oh wow, it is cold. Oh, my fingers are burning just from capturing that one image out there. Don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to stay down here at the marina. Definitely need to think about going inland where there's not so much wind. I mean, it's beautiful here. I wish there were seals, I just don't see any. So, yeah, let my fingers warm up and then I might go take the camera out freehanded, no tripod, real quick and capture a few more images of the wharf while we're down here. Yeah, I was hoping to be some photography of some seals. Looks like we're gonna head inland. So we can get a little better conditions here to do some photography, and we'll continue photographing the winter wonderland that this place has turned into. So obviously I'm having some microphone issues here. What I'm trying to tell you is I found a really neat seafood restaurant here in town, but the problem is at the time of filming this episode, Washington State wasn't letting us dine in just yet, so I have to eat here in the Jeep. I got the shrimp and chips, and let me tell you, they were excellent. All right, I'm fed. Let's go do some more photography. Well, we got here just as the snow is ending, so the trees are still all covered in snow. This little lake has got cabins all around it, inside this pine forest. You can smell the wood-burning fireplaces around us. So I'm trying to look for a composition here. Wow, these trees are big. And this may be a drone photography moment. So I think I'm gonna put the drone up, fly it around just a little bit, kind of take a look and see if there's any good photographic opportunities in the air. So as I had the drone out, a bald eagle came down and got something in the water. So I pulled the drone out of the air, so I don't disrupt the eagle. It's just another bird, it's not an eagle. But anyhow, so I know somewhere over there looks like where the eagle went. So I set the camera just in case it comes back out again. I'm going to give it a little bit of time here and see if we can capture bald eagle. Thing is, it was so far out my zoom lens, I probably won't be able to get anything. I need him to be really close to me, but I'm just going to give it a little bit of time and we'll see if we can capture a bald eagle here. Unfortunately, I didn't have any luck with the bald eagle, but I did manage to get a panorama. Well, the eagle looked like it was successful in its hunt, so that's probably why we're not seeing it. It's a nice, beautiful day to be out here. But it's also getting close time for me to start heading back. So didn't get the wildlife I was hoping for today, but at least got to see some really beautiful scenery out here. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. And also please consider opening your hearts and your homes to a shelter animal in need. And if you can't, please consider donating to your local animal shelter so our furry little four-legged friends have the best chance possible to find that loving forever home. Remember to never stop exploring, and I'll see you all next time.